skinny girls weak, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like 2 pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you. All I do.
Alright, so we're about to go head to the city and meet up with Brianna and go have dinner. So let's go. And I'm gonna show you guys some scenery on the way. So yeah. BBQs because they have outside seating. You already know how I do. So BBQs is up there. We're gonna have to walk up the stairs and get there. Right now I'm just waiting on Brianna. Because of course, you know, she takes forever. So as soon as she gets here, we'll be going inside.
Poppin'. Thing up, man.
Yo, what? Yo, what?
Poppin', it's your boy Jake Holler. Y'all know the vibes. It's my new thing right there. Got that from Clue. Y'all know the vibes. Holla.
Yo. So she finally got here, y'all. Hey.
Hey.
Wow, Savannah, you're getting so tall. What?
Do you still want to eat here or do you want to try somewhere else?
Are we gonna have to sit next to people?
Well, I guess it'll be table.
Yeah, in order to eat at a restaurant in New York, you gotta put your name, your number, and your address down so that they could track you down for COVID. For like possible exposure. So at the tables, it's like barriers, like partitions. What's it not?
Well, you could make hand sanitizer out of like alcohol and some.
And aloe vera gel.
Yeah, that.
BBQs, y'all. Easter berry coquito. Okay, free. This is my baby sister, y'all. Not my baby sister, but my younger sister. My sister Autumn is the baby. It's Michelle, then me, then Brianna, then Autumn. And look at my baby Savannah. You know, Auntie loves the babies. They love it. You know, Auntie loves the baby. Oh, I'm sorry.
It's your boy Jag. Holla at me when you
Oh my gosh.
I know the vibe.
And me, the star of the show. Okay? Yeah, we're gonna try this coquito. Y'all know I love coquitos. Like, should I get it? I wanna taste it and see how it is.
That's 165.
See these partitions, yeah? I don't want it to eat outside, but Brianna took too long. Our seats that were outside on the balcony got taken because Brianna wanted to take so long.
No, don't say that.
It was you. It was you. Yeah, I know I don't like to eat inside. I like to be outside. So yeah, this is the peep coquito. We're gonna try it and see if we can get it. Thank you. It's good. Look, y'all, so I got some sticky wings. Y'all see that? Can't come to BBQs and not get no wings, okay?
For like pictures that other people are taking. I could never see myself smiling in my own.
It's up here.
Is that good, baby? Another sticky wing?
Thank you. That's where we get that so fast.
So
Oh my
good.
god.
And they're hot,
Like
so
the back.
they just keep them cooking.
Yeah.
Thank you. So here is my drink, y'all. This is the, what was it? Easter berry coquito. Why I keep saying, I was about to say peeps coquito, because I got the peep in it. Oh.
Wait, we can try that.
Look at that.
A little better, like different.
You turn.
Which way, this way? It's pretty good. And it come with a shot. And it going in. Oh.
These aren't that strong.
Mix that in. Woo. That is gonna be strong. Right, look at that, babe. Try to mix it. I still can see it at the top. I'm about to take this thing, people. I know I ain't gonna eat that. So my food just came. I got the grilled salmon, the grilled shrimp, veggies, baked potato. Okay. Ronnie got a burger, of course. He's waiting on his mayo. Okay. Brianna got the salmon too, with rice and cornbread.
Fried shrimp.
So Hannah got the chicken burger. Yum, 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 yum. So let's try it. Let's try this salmon. Ooh. That's good. Their salmon's good. Ready? These are the grilled veggies. That's good. Yeah, look at Ronnie's burger. I think it's serious. You sweating. Yo, what's my food is good.
You guys are hot.
I'm not. How you feel? I feel like it was
Crazy.
yeah. She trying to get me to get another drink.
The night is young.
No.
And so are we.
I'm still trying to finish this. I'm full. I'm about to take this home.
Go with that babysitter. Oh, God.
Yo. Ronnie, you taking your food home? I'm so done. No, I'm not. You getting another drink?
I mean, yeah.
What? Okay.
Well, yeah.
Get another one, boo.
Don't do that.
Wait till I get up.
Okay. Time to
You
roll.
won't have to worry about it when I get
Try to
back.
finish this last couple sips. All right.
Drink. Chop, chop, chop,
Oh
chop,
my
chop,
gosh.
chop.
All right, y'all. So we done with dinner. You can't even see them back there. All you see is reflection of glasses.
Yeah.
We're about to go head to the Bronx real quick. There you go.
That one on.
Don't slip up or get caught.
Why not, man?
I'm coming for that #1 spot.